Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we're delving into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest updates. You will not want to miss any crucial information that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Broadcom as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.01. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 46.37% since we first identified Broadcom as a buy candidate 53 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.87% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 59.55% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 53.66% and 67.67%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 48.06%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 8.68% to positive 49.60% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $251.50 and $411.99. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline: Evaluation of Broadcom stock downgraded after the last trading session. The Broadcom stock price experienced a decline of 0.9% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025. The price decreased from $277.90 to $275.40. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.11%, reaching a low of $272.70 and a high of $281.18. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a 4.06% gain over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive indicator since volume typically follows stock performance. On that day, trading volume dropped by 2 million shares, totaling 18 million shares traded for approximately $4.9 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $281.18 and its lowest price at $128.50. Currently, the price stands 2.06%, or $5.78, below the 52-week high of $281.18, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom, trading under the ticker AVGO, has been in the spotlight recently, with promising developments impacting its stock trajectory. As of the 10th of July, 2025, the company reported near-record low days of inventory outstanding in its second quarter earnings. This indicates robust and scalable demand for its products, a positive sign for current and prospective investors. This strong inventory management suggests that Broadcom is well positioned to capitalize on growing market needs. Moreover, analysts are optimistic about Broadcom being a key player in the artificial intelligence space, recognizing their unique two-sided business model across semiconductor and enterprise software domains. The recent surge in artificial intelligence revenue is driving near all-time highs in stock price, further solidified by a favorable market environment and positive sentiment surrounding its future prospects. Investors are viewing Broadcom as a potentially safer bet among technology stocks, especially amid shifts toward artificial intelligence. Both short-term and long-term stock performance appears favorable due to solid fundamentals, increasing demand, and positive market dynamics. With these encouraging indicators, investors are likely to remain optimistic about Broadcom's growth potential, which could lead to continued upward momentum for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned a buy grade to AVGO along with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 6th of June 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company also gave AVGO a buy grade but with a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 6th of June 2025, Evercore ISI rated AVGO as outperform with a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, Citigroup had rated AVGO with a buy grade and a hold action. Additionally, on Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, Barclays assigned an overweight grade to AVGO, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. The Broadcom stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be found at 272.69 cents and 254.54 cents. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Some negative signals have been generated, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 0.90%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps to lower the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 52 days ago. If we review the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 55 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $259.93 and $249.99. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Broadcom's support just below today's level stands at $259.93. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $249.99 and $246.93. This stock exhibits average daily movements with a healthy trading volume, leading to a medium risk assessment. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $8.48 between its high and low, amounting to 3.11%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.28%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of September 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.66. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $275.65. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom faces its first support level at $259.93. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On June 26, 2025, Tan Hawk E conducted an insider sale of 40,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01. On June 26, 2025, Delhi Gala J conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01. On June 25, 2025, Samuel Henry conducted an insider sale of 153,812 shares of common stock, with a par value of $1,000. On June 25, 2025, Samuel Henry conducted another insider sale of 162,917 shares of common stock, with a par value of $1,000. On June 25, 2025, Samuel Henry conducted yet another insider sale of 42,141 shares of common stock, with a par value of $1,000. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 37.476. In total, insiders purchased 2,142,698 shares and sold 4,259,843 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting your stop loss at $264.54, which reflects a decrease of 3.94%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Broadcom stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, July 11th, we anticipate Broadcom to open higher by $1.03, starting at $276.43. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.